There he comes. That is so cool. Here he comes. These are gray whales. North Pacific gray whales. Oh, this is good. You seeing that? We can identify these whales as individuals. Good gracious. This is already amazing. These whales here are about 35, 40 feet long, an adult, weighing somewhere around 30, 35 tons, so 70,000 pounds. So in this area, we don't typically see the mothers and their calves in this particular spot. So what we have a better chance of seeing here is mating activity, and that can make the whales really active. I think he's trying to get rid of those barnacles. Oh my goodness. You can see the baleen plates in its mouth.
That was too much fun.
That
Right off the
was
Oh yeah, look at that.
That was once in a lifetime.
Yeah, just like that already.
To cry.